An adventurous cooking competition, a story by smart lesson, the second part. That afternoon, Tom goes to Natalia's house. Sunny, the orange cat, follows him like a bodyguard. When they enter the kitchen, Tom stops and blinks. There are bowls, whisks, and spoons everywhere. Are we cooking or building a rocket? Tom asks. Natalia hands him an apron with pink cupcakes on it. Put this on, she says. Tom stares at it. It's very cupcakey. Exactly, Natalia cheers. Sunny jumps on the counter and meows loudly. He clearly wants to be head chef. Step 1. Crack the eggs, Natalia explains. Tom picks up an egg like it's a baby bird. Then crack. Egg explodes on the table, the counter, and Tom's face. Natalia is speechless for exactly 1 second. Then burst out laughing. Sunny tries to lick the eggs off Tom's nose. Tom dodges barely. Step 2. Flour, Natalia says. She hands Tom the bag. Tom opens it upside down.